this is the grain cart and the combine. And the reason we use the grain cart is so that the combine never has to stop. And it can keep moving throughout the field, and the grain cart then takes what the combine has already harvested and fills up, and then we'll run to the front of the field where the semi is and dump into the semi. So that just makes it more efficient. So I'm not quite full, but Edward's gonna keep combining. I'll come back, meet him, run this part of these short rounds here. Dump more grain into the grain cart, and then once the grain cart's full, I'll run it all the way up to the road over there to the semi. The grain cart is full, so bringing it up to the front of the field here to dump it into the semi, and then the combine can keep moving, so there's no downtime. As you can see here, the semis are way up in the front of the field, so if the combine had to stop every time and come up front every time it was full, it would make this take a lot longer. So having a grain cart operator helps with productivity and just our efficiency. And if there's not enough people working the days, I get stuck doing it, and honestly I don't mind. I kind of enjoy it, but I'm not the best at it, don't tell anybody.